Hello, good morning everyone. I am Gayatri Manwade, lecturer in ADFT GPW Hubli. In last previous sessions, we have learnt about color introduction, color schemes, and what are the different types of properties of colors. Now, let us see what are the different types of silhouettes. What is silhouette? In fashion, the term silhouette refers to the line of dress or the overall shape of any dress or garment. Silhouettes can be used to emphasize and alter the woman's shape to create a flattering illusion. So here we can change her illusion by wearing the suitable dress. Means if we are fat and stout, we should wear some vertical striped or vertical printed dresses. That will create some unique illusion and we will appear a bit taller than what we are. Different dress silhouettes are designed to flatter different body types as well as to meet the dress codes for different events. As for different events, we wear different dresses. For parties or kitty parties, we wear some western kind dresses or some simple dresses, or else in marriage events or wedding ceremonies, we wear saris, traditional saris. In this way, we wear our costumes according to our customs as well as different occasions, and even our wearing depends upon festive occasions also. For different festivals, different dresses or different saris we prefer. This our silhouette emphasize on the basis of what we wear. So let us see what are the different types of silhouettes. Here different types of silhouettes are A-line silhouette, hourglass silhouette. What is A-line silhouette? A-line silhouette. This silhouette emphasizes the lower half of the body. Below waist of our body should be A-line or tapered dresses we should wear. A-line frocks, A-line gowns or A-line kurtis. It is unique however because it does not emphasize the hips. Here at the hip area we are not going to give some fittings. From the chest portion it will be draped straightly. The garment will be draped straightly. It rather draws a visual line past the hips and adds flared appearance around the legs. Just see the image or picture. The garment is slightly fitted at the upper torso part and it's flared at the leg area or ankle area, towards floor. The A-line silhouette works well for most of the people. This silhouette suits all the persons most probably. A garment in this silhouette is narrow at the top and widens towards the hemline and gradual manner smoothing out the lines and curves of the body, hence flatters most body shapes. This kind of silhouette dresses suits very well on all kinds of figures. Next is hourglass silhouette. This silhouette is characterized by a fitted waistline. Here in this silhouette, the garment will be tapered at the waist and fitted over here. This is very popular silhouette which emphasizes curves at the waist towards the bottom or at the hemline of the garment. This silhouette is most probably used for corset tops and bustiers with a flared skirt or teamed along with the flared skirt with the bustiers, so that this emphasizes the waistline to create the well silhouette. This is most coveted of all silhouettes, but mostly suitable for narrow waist people. This silhouette does not suit all the persons. This silhouette suits well for narrow waist persons. A pear-shaped body. A person with a pear-shaped body or pear-shaped figure, if they are having this silhouette, will suit them very well. Thank you. Let us see you in the next session.